Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy you are here with me today. Today's video is going to be another makeup tutorial. It's going to be on this fun spring look. It's a very fun, colorful look, but it's also very wearable. I did a spring makeup tutorial in my last video as well, but this one is a bit more colorful, but it is still wearable. I know there are some of us that love to wear color. It's just we need to wear it in a wearable way. We don't like to go all out, and sometimes I'm like that. I just want a very fun wearable look that has some color, and it's a very fun festive look. This look is very simple, whether you just picked up a makeup brush for the first time a few hours ago or if you've been doing this for years. This is for everyone, so if you would like to know how to achieve the look, keep on watching and we'll get to blending. Let's start off with our eyeshadow. Going into the Morphe 35B palette, I'm taking this very bright orange shade, and on a Sigma E40, I'm going to blend this into my crease. Now this step is going to be a process. I'm going to blend in a light layer at a time because I'm slowly going to be building up the intensity of this shadow. I want it to be super vibrant and really pop, so you want to blend this out in layers and pack it on and on. So just blend one layer out at a time. Our beautiful eyelid shade is going to be the Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow in Diamond Dust. I'm going to apply this over half of my eyelid and bring up the glitter a little bit into my crease. Since I have hooded lids, I want the glitter to actually show up. Today's lashes are going to be the Ardell Foam Ink Demi Wispies. I really like these. They're not too dramatic, but they add the perfect touch to finish off any eye look. To prime the face, I'm going in with Milani's Prime Light Face Primer. This is a strobing face primer, so it's going to leave my skin looking luminous and keep my makeup in place throughout the day. I love to use this for spring looks because it makes your skin look so dewy and glowy and also very healthy. For today's foundation, I'll be going in with the Physicians Formula Healthy Foundation in LC1. I recently purchased this and I've really been liking it. I love the doe foot applicator. It makes it really easy to apply. It looks really natural, doesn't cake up, and you get good coverage. I'm a fan of it. It's so good. And after that's applied, I'll be going in with my damp beauty blender to blend that out like always. To brighten up the under eye area, I'm going in with Maybelline's Fit Me Concealer in the shade Light. You don't need a lot of this. It's very creamy and pigmented, so it just takes a little bit. So I'm going to apply a bit of that underneath the eyes and blend that out with my damp beauty blender. Next, I'm going into my all-time favorite high-end bronzer. This is the Chanel Universal Bronzer. I'm going to use my good old F40 large angled contour brush from Sigma, and I'm really going to bronze up the cheekbones. I want my skin to look very luminous and very bronzy, so I'm going to make sure I really exaggerate and really bronze up the skin. So I bronzed up the cheekbones, and I also went around the edge of the forehead to add some natural warmth to my skin. You guys know me, I can't go without setting my concealer. I'm going in with my Coty Airspun Translucent Face Powder, and I'm going to apply a light amount of this underneath the eyes. I don't want to apply a large amount of powder because I want my skin to still have a luminous effect, so I'm going to apply a little bit as possible. Today's lip is going to be a very fun color. It's the NYX Liquid Suede in Orange County. It's a very beautiful orange, but it's a good wearable orange, which I like. We're going to go in and work on the lower lash line. I'm going to take that bright orange and blend that on the lower lash line and really smoke it out. I'm using a Sigma F70 medium angled shading brush. And after the powder has been setting underneath the eyes for a little bit, I'm going to go ahead and dust it away and blend the powder into the skin as I dust it away. To add some additional glow to the skin, I'm going into one of my favorite drugstore highlighters. This is the Physicians Formula Maru Maru Butter Highlighter in Champagne. All you need is a little bit. These are very pigmented, very creamy. They're easy to blend out, so I'm just taking my ring finger and applying this to the cheekbone. Now this highlighter is a bit dark for me, so I'm going to go in with a little bit of Makeup Revolution's Vivid Baked Highlighter in Golden Lights, and with the Morphe G23 fan brush, I'm going to dust that highlighter over that cream highlighter we used just to lighten it up a bit. And also taking any of the extra highlighter and dusting it all over the face to add some additional glow. For the blush today, I'm using Milani's Baked Blush in Bellissimo Bronze. Milani has the best drugstore blushes out there. You need these in your life. They're so pigmented, they blend out beautifully, and they leave the perfect touch of color to the skin. And that completes the look. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your day to watch my videos. Make sure you subscribe, it would mean the world to me, and also leave a thumbs up on the video. Jesus loves you guys so much, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.